Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture.
No king since 1776. Fuck yeah! Woo! That's a great place to stand.
And he's dead.
Let's go, jellyfish powers. Thank you, Zero. Thank you, ZeroEnigma, for the jellyfish powers. What's a red light? More jellyfish powers. I don't gotta wait for shit. On the phone. Yep, blows the stop sign. But remember how cyclists are entitled. Jogging path is right there. It's so hard to find. Just throw your arms up because you're in my lane. I guess we don't look. Yep, very good, very good. Good job, asshole. Of course. All the time, yep. It's amazing how many people don't use their mirrors. You see these two? They'll be on YouTube with their license plate and everything.
skateboard!
Phone driver.
Bite my shiny metal ass.
Phone zombie. Texting and driving is not safe. Put your phone away, please.
We appreciated that.
Yeah.
Do you ride around and yell it a lot? Just when it's necessary.
Usually with my voice, but on events like today, I bring this. But yeah.
Cool. See, I noticed the cameras and stuff.
Yep.
So.
If you want to see all the work I do, follow Salty Seattle Cyclist on YouTube.
Salty Seattle.
Yep.
Wait, are you on Reddit? I feel like I've seen you.
I posted a few things on Reddit, not a lot, but the first No Kings, I posted a video that went pretty viral.
I feel like I just saw you look it up. For some reason.
An invisible bike? That's cool. So cool. Oh my. These damn cyclists are always breaking signs. Don't you know? Woo! So no turn on red. I don't know where you think you're going.
You really like telling people what to do, don't you?
How do you know?
You just told me what to
I'm
do.
just pointing out the obvious.
Yeah, but you said it in such a dick way. You must really enjoy that.
Oh, I'll cry harder about it. Why don't you?
You're a real fucking asshole.
Takes one to know one. Oh, you told me something obvious, but in a mean way. Wah. That could have been the end of someone, so you didn't see it. Yep, let's run in the exact middle. That's smart.
Asshole.
I'm not the one running in the middle. This is a shared path. You don't know how to read, do you? You don't know how to read.
Our universe is doomed! Doomed!
Phone. That third car back. Oh, look at that WhatsApp gap.
What in fuck's name are you doing?
Big gap. She's still on the phone. Should you be glued to your phone while you're driving?
Oh, yeah.
No, that's incredibly unsafe. You should put the phone away before you kill someone. Okay? Bye. Put the phone away. Where are you going? You gonna drive over the line now? You're just telling me that you're a really dangerous driver.
Oh, shit!
Texting and driving, huh?
The sweet scent of almost dying.
Yep, she's on the phone.
Again? Seriously?
Too. She's on the phone too. So many people on the phone. BIT 3777. Thank you for putting your phone away. Put it away. You see this? You'll be on YouTube. Look for your number plate on YouTube. And hopefully I won't see you in the news when you run over a child. Hopefully I won't see you on the news when you run over a child because you're distracted driving. You're gonna be in the box and text and drive? Very good. It's a sign of a great driver. You're in the bike lane, genius. Tailgate much? Anti-Elon Tesla Club. Sorry, can't be anti-Elon and still own a Tesla. You gotta sell that shit. Put your money where your mouth is. Oh my god, no one's coming when I ran the light. Someone better stop me. I wonder where the sidewalk is. Oh wait, it's right there. Oh my god, turn your lights on. Wrong way, bumholes. Yep, if you're a rideshare driver, you get to just block traffic, even when there's parking on the other side.
Go!
Fucking idiot. Aw, come on. On the phone too. Put the phone away. You didn't put it away, you just stopped looking at it. Yeah!
Thank you.